Hello there. If you're tired of hitting yourself in the back of the head or all of your line just spaghettis in front of you, I'm going to give you a casting technique that'll solve that. You don't want to false cast. If you don't have to, don't false cast. What you want to do instead is what's called water loading. And what water loading is, essentially, you pick up the fly and you toss it back in. Pick up the fly, toss it back down, pick up the fly, and then toss it back down. And just like that, you can easily make a 50-foot cast without having to do any false casting, which a lot of times, especially if you're new to fly fishing, ends up in a big tangle. So the next time you're out there, try water loading, and I think you'll have a much better time, and it'll erase some of that frustration you're having right now with the cast just stacking up in front of you. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on. You may also have heard this cut. Oh my God. I can't speak. Some of you may have already heard this. Some of you may know this cast as the pickup and lay down cast. Basically the same thing.